Today, I am hoping to catch your eye with product suggestions from a category that gets an incredible amount of orders in the dropshipping universe. And I'm just tickled pink to tell you all about it. Hi world, how's it going? It's Mark from Oberlo. You are watching Show and Sell. Show and Sell is full of practical tips and smart product recommendations. So tap the notification bell if you don't want to miss this show in the future. Today, we are taking a look at beauty and makeup products. Our data shows that this is a niche that gets lots of dropshipping orders. In the first part of today's video, I'm going to give you a few numbers to help you decide if selling makeup and beauty products is right for you. After that, I have a couple of great product examples to show you that you can import into your store. We'll talk about a few sales and marketing essentials that you can implement as well. And to finish, I have an up-and-coming product recommendation that is extremely popular among consumers in this market right now. So first, let's look at the data. In 2016, the United States beauty and cosmetics market was worth $60 billion. This figure is set to increase by 50% by 2020, reaching an eye-popping $90 billion, making the US the biggest market for cosmetics in the world. But the popularity of these products isn't limited to the States. They travel really well too. Beauty and health products are #1 for orders in huge markets like the UK, Germany, and Brazil. In addition, makeup and beauty generates a lot of revenue for Oberlo merchants. These products rank in the top 5 for GMV in 9 of the 10 biggest markets. Only Italy doesn't feature here. To put it short and sweet, this is a niche with immense dropshipping potential. And now we're going to look at how you can tap into that potential with a couple of product recommendations. To begin, I have with me this 10-piece gold makeup brush set. The handles on these brushes are easy to grip, while the bristles are soft to the touch and blend powders with ease. Just what a customer would expect from a quality makeup brush, which is probably why this set has an average of 4.7 stars out of 5 from almost 2,000 customer ratings. Beauty items like this can sell really well, as we see from the order counts for this particular brush set over the last 30 days and 6 months. But what those figures don't tell you is when and why they are selling well. That's why we always encourage you to dig a little deeper when you see a product with interesting product statistics, like this. How can you do that? Google Trends is a fast and simple way of checking online interest in a certain search term, or in our case, a product. It reveals when interest in that product hits its peak. If we use Google Trends to check in on makeup brushes, we can identify a clear consumer trend. Makeup brush sets are perennial holiday bestsellers. When interest for a product peaks around these times, it usually means customers are purchasing these items as gifts. A makeup brush is a good gift because it's simple, yet useful. Most importantly, the receiver of the brush is less likely to find an objection than they are if they receive lipstick in a color that they do not normally use. This kind of insight from Google Trends is invaluable for your marketing efforts. It helps you identify when in the year you should raise your ad spending. We see a similar trend for this electric eyelash curler. Google Trends shows us that interest in this product is pretty steady all year round. The holiday season spikes are less pronounced than they are for the makeup brush set, but they are nonetheless there. This electric eyelash curler is a time-saving interpretation of the conventional eyelash curler. Simply switch it on and warm up the safe heated curling plates, and then use the curler to add shape and volume to natural eyelashes. Costing $10, you'll need to price this eyelash curler a little higher to keep your profit margins healthy. And it complements the makeup brush set, which costs roughly $3 to $4. Why not sell both in your beauty and makeup store, using ads to see what sells better? In October, the National Retail Federation has forecasted a strong holiday shopping season in 2018. Retail sales in November and December are expected to grow by between 4.3 and 4.8%. Now, if you want in on that action, then there are tons more products like the brush set and the eyelash curler on Oberlo. You just have to rummage around and make sure to use the Oberlo product statistics when you do your research. All right, if you do decide to sell makeup and beauty products online, there are a few essential tips that we recommend you follow. I'm going to leave links to all of these resources in the description below. But let's check them out now. These kinds of products are all about helping customers to look and feel good. So your online store should match that sentiment too. Watch this video we made about 5 of the best Shopify stores that sell in the health and beauty niche. It's only 5 minutes and 14 seconds long, and it's full of great marketing tips and design guidance for creating a beautiful online business. It also includes a peek into Kim Kardashian's online store. Once you've seen what the creme de la creme are doing to get sales, come back here and take a look at online store themes made available to Oberlo merchants on Shopify. We have 3 themes to recommend that are ideal for creating a beautiful business online. They are pop, Handy, and Mr. Parker. They specialize in different aspects of beauty and makeup e-commerce. For example, the Handy theme is optimized for mobile and small screen users. Hit the links below to see which of them meets your online store needs. There are some awesome Shopify apps that you can use to attract customers into filling their carts with your products. One of our favorites is perfect for merchants selling makeup. It gives your customers the chance to, quote unquote, experience your products in your online store. The Makeup Magic Mirror allows customers to virtually try on cosmetics before buying. This is an awesome way of increasing conversions for products like lipstick, eyeshadow, blush, foundation, and many more. It removes a barrier to purchase that online consumers face, allowing them to try before they buy. I have one last app to recommend before I tell you about a beauty and makeup product that has great potential for dropshippers. Now here, the Show and Sell team are big fans of social proof measures, and we are fans for good reason. Over 70% of Americans say they look at product reviews before making a purchase, and this is probably most true in the beauty industry. Yotpo is a free social proof boosting app that collects reviews, photos, and question and answers from your customers. It also helps drive high intent traffic by displaying ratings in organic search results on Google. That's a beautiful marketing tool for any merchant to get their hands on. Now all that's left is for me to reveal an up and coming product recommendation that you can import into your store right in time for the holidays. It's the perfect item to complement stores that sell makeup brushes. It's the silicone makeup brush cleaner. This product is selling like sweet silicone hotcakes, and with the upcoming holidays, sales could be set to rise even further. If you import it into your makeup and beauty store, we suggest using the makeup brush cleaner as a free gift item. At around $1.50, it's mega cheap, and when the holiday season is over, you can upsell this silicone bad boy to anyone who buys makeup brushes. How do you feel about selling beauty and makeup products? Would you like to know about influencer marketing for these products? Ask us. We read all your comments, and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode. Until next time, learn often, market better, and sell more.